everybody. We're headed off to do a toilet auger here in Nashua. We just got the call in. The guy's going to be moving, I guess, and he just wants to take care of it before anything happens. He tells me it's a toilet auger. We'll see when we get there. You never know. Wish me luck. Thanks. Hi, I'm Shelly. Do you mind if I record for YouTube? Okay, just have to ask. Alrighty, so let's take a peek at what we got.
There's...
How long has it been going on?
Probably a couple of months.
The light?
Yeah, right.
That's okay. Alright. So it's been going on for a couple months? Oh, is this like a bidet attachment?
Yeah, that is. Yep.
Perfect. So even just water, it just fills up?
Don't do that.
Okay. Yeah, I have one at home, so.
You'll blast your face. Yeah.
I have one of those at home.
So it's like if you put something in it, like
toilet paper or something?
Yeah, I mean I use wipes sometimes. I think my kit doesn't help.
Okay, so these I wouldn't recommend flushing.
Yeah, no,
ever.
I haven't in a while, like a while. I just
Do you have any toilet paper so that we can test it?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
Just realized that earlier. I'm not trying to blame my kid, but I don't monitor what I can only tell, not monitor, you know.
Right, exactly.
You want to try?
Yeah. Test it. Throw however much a kid would normally throw in there and then.
See, that's fine. I did Drano it and try to snake it. That's why you can see the marks.
Yep.
I was trying to snake it, but I didn't think I did anything, because I couldn't feel anything.
There could be a pen in there, and every couple flushes, what happens is the toilet paper will get caught on it. Mm-hmm. Something could have fallen in there. Did you have a shelf or anything over this at the time when it started acting up?
There was a little shelf here.
Okay. With like little objects and things on it, or was it just like hair products and stuff like that?
To my knowledge, the only thing on it was an LOL doll, but I can confirm that the LOL doll did not fall in there.
Okay.
It's because when I took the thing off, it was still there.
And yeah, this toilet paper is fine too because it's single ply, so that's good. That's what we recommend using.
Trying a little harder that time.
But these don't do it, huh? I'm afraid to touch that.
Afraid to touch what?
Your shower.
Oh.
This is the nicest kitchen bathroom I think I've ever seen.
It's not a kitchen bathroom.
Oh, okay.
It's an bathroom. It's like that Jack and Jill bathroom. It cleans up nice.
So you can leave that running for me if you can. Cold water will run these things. Let it fill back up again. With these running, I'm going to end up testing it one more time. And if it's not doing anything and it's not actually physically backing up, I'll just do a service call for you. But other than that, I mean, it seems to be okay. How long were you here prior to you guys moving? Or planning on moving?
How long have I been here?
Yeah.
About 5 years.
5 years? And how old is the toilet? Is it new since you've been here, or was it here before you moved in?
That toilet is new. I'm sorry. That toilet has been here since I got here.
Okay.
I just, I mean, I had it all up and redid the floor and everything.
Okay,
So
and then you just
the
re-put
seal
the,
and everything.
okay.
Yeah.
I think you fixed it yourself.
I mean, if I did, great. I just didn't want to leave.
Do you want to try flushing it? Maybe it's just, it's scared of me?
Yeah. Now, I did that quick. I didn't, like, hold it down.
Right.
You held it down, I think. Let's try that again.
Yeah, just give it a couple minutes, let it fill up in the back here. Okay, so it looks like you got a newer fill valve too, which is good.
What's that?
The fill valve, you changed that?
I did all that, yeah. I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this piece here, remove this so that they can see what I'm talking about. This piece here, if you ever do this in your new house or whatever, this hose is actually supposed to go inside.
Yeah,
Like that.
the instructions were not very clear on that bit.
Right, so that's where that's supposed to go. And see how the water is really high up to that overflow?
Yeah.
You don't want it to go that high. Even your tub is draining amazingly. That's the best I've seen that go.
That's cool.
That was low. This side is not low. It's probably getting itself out.
Yeah, the tub's pretty cool.
That's awesome. I haven't seen it keep up with us.
I'll just check it out.
Yeah, so I didn't hold it down that time.
You know what? That's not good. This thing should be.
But as far as this goes, we'll let it fill up again. I just readjusted this. See how it stopped a little bit? Oh, it didn't. Probably this piece, but it's not flowing in there, which is fine, but. Alright, so let's test it one more time with hoses. And we'll do it quickly. Do a quick flush the way that you did it and just have you push quickly on it. I don't know. I think you fixed it.
Okay. Fair enough. At least I can say I did my due diligence and I did my best efforts.
So, I mean, if it does it again, by all means, give us a call and I'll just take off that the service charge that I'm going to charge you for today. I'm going to do a $50 service charge, and then I'll just take that off if I come back and offer it. I'll just take that off the thing. But I mean, I can't get that to flush much better. Alrighty, I guess you're good.
Okay.
Maybe it just needed you to call us to scare them. Alrighty, everybody. So that ended up being a no call. He didn't actually have an issue. He must have resolved it and didn't realize that he resolved it. I tested it a bunch of times. Adjusted the fill valve inside of the toilet just a little bit to keep it below the line. He didn't have the hose in there properly. So yeah, if you're liking the content of the videos and you're liking how we're doing things and how we treat our customers and just want to keep watching because you're enjoying it, just subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything at all. I mean, you just hit the little button, hit the like button, share it. That's a big one. You can share for us. That helps. Alrighty. Thanks. Hope you guys have a great day.